There's many benefits to working with our customers upfront on their designs at the beginning phases. In many circumstances, we will work closely with them to identify any issues or tweaks needed to the part design that are needed for being able to mold the part internally at Kaysun. And there's multiple parts that we mold that have deep draws or areas of texture. We need to make sure we have adequate draft to allow those parts to release cleanly from the mold without dragging or scuffing, because that could be a cosmetic concern or a potential sealing concern if it's down in an area of high sealing. Nominal wall thickness is very critical from a part design standpoint. Many aspects can result if you have uneven wall thickness sections. One of the big things is how that part's going to cool. With uneven wall sections, that part's not going to want to cool as uniformly as it could, which can ultimately lead to warp and other issues. So trying to potentially core out those parts and get them as nominal as possible is always key. We'll also take a look at radii from a part design standpoint. We want to eliminate sharp corners, as those can be stress concentration areas in a part. Some of these parts get into assemblies that may rattle or vibrate. Any of those potential sharp corners can end up as potential cracking areas, things of that nature. So any areas that we can add radii to, we like to get those in up front. That way we can also see how it may affect the assembly of the parts, because sometimes those can create interferences, so we want to catch that on the front side and provide that feedback to our customers. Part of molding parts is having to get them out of the mold. We need ejector pins or ejector components to be able to do that. We need features built onto the part model to be able to eject it out successfully, and we need that feedback from our customers to know that that's acceptable. So we'll work closely with them from a tool design concept and make sure that we have adequate ejection and that any features that we may need to add to allow us to eject the part is acceptable to them and can be incorporated in the part design. Once we have the part design pretty much locked in, then we work closely with some of our tooling sources to develop a tooling concept. We work with our tool shops to develop that concept, and then we like to share that concept with our customers. We'll align on things like split lines, ejection, draft requirements, things of that nature to make sure that we're going to be able to mold the best possible part for our customer. We like to work closely up front with our customers on a thorough drawing review. Many times there's critical features that our customers know that they need to monitor in production, so we'll align with them to ensure we have an appropriate inspection method set up to be able to monitor those ongoing. We'll also look at the tolerancing from a feasibility standpoint to make sure that we can essentially meet the tolerances that they're asking for. And if we can't, we'll provide that feedback and try to gain alignment on kind of where we need to be with the print. Many times our customers will come to us when they're looking for a material, whether it be from a strength standpoint, flexibility, and we like to work closely and partner with them up front to make sure that they're selecting the best material for their application. We do have a sample plaque tool where we can actually mold plaques in different materials so that they can test out the flexibility and strength. We can also mold dog bone bars, they're called, where we can do tensile testing to actually test the mechanical strength of the materials for them and provide those results. So we offer a wide array of different material options that I think our customers benefit greatly from.